guys, Reggie the King, back again with another video. Today's recipe will be probably the most simplest recipe that I ever made on this channel, or probably gonna make on this channel. It only need 2 ingredients. All I need is Greek yogurt and almond flour. And what we're gonna do is make bagels. So I am gonna use a little salt for taste, and I'm gonna put sesame seeds on top. And with that, I'm gonna use egg wash. So I guess those comes in, but the main ingredients, literally, you don't have to use anything else but just these 2 right here. So let's get started. All right, get yourself some bowl. I'm gonna use 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 2 cups of almond flour. There we go, that's 1 cup. Okay, so 2 cups of almond flour coming up. That's 1. And that's 2. Okay, so I am gonna use a little salt for taste. Like I said, you don't have to use it at all. I think that's enough. From here, what you're gonna do is mix it together for it to come together. I'm gonna use a spoon first, then use my hand. Okay, so from here, you wanna get a bowl. It depends on how big you want your bagels. I'll probably make like mini bagels. So you get it round up. And then put your thumb in there. And then from there, just open it up a little bit and make sure it doesn't crack. It is soft, so be careful. And just fix it. Alright, don't make fun of my sizes of my bagels, but basically that's what it is. I got some egg wash here that I'm gonna use to put on top for color, and also so I could stick the sesame seeds on top. So just like so, just brush it off a little bit. Might not even come out as a bagel. I don't even know what this is, to be honest. Have I made this? No. I'm just trying it with you guys just right now, but let's see how it comes out. I like taking risks, so why not, right? Random, like I said, I'm gonna just do random stuff. Okay, now that is done, let's sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And then go in the oven. I preheat the oven at 390, and I think this should take like 30 minutes to cook up. Alright, so this will go in the oven for 30 minutes. Remember guys, part of the fitness journey is eating healthy. 80% of it is eating healthy, 20% of it will be in the gym. So I'm gonna try to make these recipes for you guys to try, and you guys let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and we'll come back and see how it looks. All right, after 30 minutes, this is how it came out. It actually doesn't look bad, but I want to see how the consistency is. Not bad. It looks just like bread. Yeah, so you guys can give this a try. Less ingredients, just Greek yogurt and almond flour, literally. And then add salt for taste, and you know, the egg wash to have you stick anything that you want on there, like sesame seeds or everything bagel or anything that they put on bagels. I don't really know. I don't eat bagels, but I want to try this just in case. I don't eat bread anymore, but I guess I could eat this now. and make this as my bread whenever I'm craving bread, if I'm ever craving bread. A healthy option. So you guys give this a try, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys. Peace.